Respected principal, teachers and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my debate is Quaid-e-Azam, a great leader. Today is the 25th December 2022. Entire nation is observing the birth anniversary of our beloved leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah with great devotion. He was called the father of the nation. He became its first Governor General. Quaid-e-Azam is the greatest leader of our history. He won a separate state of Pakistan and printed his name forever in the pages of history. He was a sincere and devoted leader of the Muslims. He was an intelligent and lively thinker. He awakened the Muslims from their slumber. He told them that they were a separate nation from Hindus. They needed a separate state to live in according to their religion and culture. He impressed upon the mind of the Muslims of India the necessity of separate country. Quaid-e-Azam is indeed ranked amongst the most visionary politicians and great statesmen of the world. The Quaid successfully led the freedom movement of the Muslims of the subcontinent and established the first Islamic ideological state of the world. Freedom movement is a living testimony to Quaid's political insight and visionary leadership, which would continue to be a bright reference point in history. The entire world is aware of Quaid's adherence to his principles. He respected law and constitution all his life and fostered positive values in politics. He imparted such inspiring lessons like unity, faith, and discipline to the Muslims of the subcontinent that they enlightened our lives even today. With faith, discipline, and self-devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. The nation is fully aware that we are poised at a critical juncture of our history. There is no space for extremism in a country envisioned by the father of nations. The firm resolve of the present democratic government would leave no stone unturned to make Pakistan the Quaid's Pakistan in the real sense. We should have a state in which we could live and breathe as free men and which we could develop according to our own lights and culture and where principles of Islamic social justice could find free play. Alhamdulillah, we have achieved many milestones by acting upon the ideals of our Quaid. The law and order situations in the country is much improved, and the backbone of extremism elements has been broken. The government is striving day and night to eliminate load shedding from the country. That remained the biggest hurdle in the economic growth, and completion of CPEC projects will turn around the economic outlook of the whole region. I am sure that we would successfully overcome all the challenges in our country by seeking guidance from the sayings of the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I have full faith in my people that they live rise to every occasions worthy. I pray to Allah Almighty to grant our Quaid the highest of the ranks in Jannah. Thanks for your attention.